In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Klarna on Amazon. Very easy. 5 minutes. We're walking through a quick, reliable way to use Klarna's virtual one-time card to split your Amazon purchase into manageable payments. This is perfect if you want flexibility at checkout while keeping the process simple and secure. First, download the Klarna app from your mobile app store and log in. If you're new, you'll be guided to create an account and confirm your details. Klarna may run a quick eligibility check and show you your spending limit. Make sure you have a valid payment method connected in Klarna so your installments can be charged automatically. It also helps to enable notifications so you don't miss any due dates. Once you're in the app, use the search bar to find Amazon. Tap Amazon inside Klarna to open the built-in shopping experience. You'll be shopping as usual, but with Klarna layered on top to handle payment. If you shop in a specific country or region, be sure the Amazon you choose matches that region for the best results. Next, tap the Pay with Klarna button. This activates the payment flow and lets Klarna know you want to generate a virtual card for this purchase. You'll usually see options like Pay in 4 or Pay later, depending on your eligibility and location. Keep in mind that some item categories, such as certain digital goods or subscriptions, may not be supported. Before you create the virtual card, check your Amazon cart total, including estimated tax and shipping. It's best to have your items already in the Amazon cart so you can see the final number. Enter that full amount in Klarna to generate a one-time virtual card. Aim to match the total closely. If you enter less than your true total, Amazon may decline the payment. If you enter more, Klarna typically only charges the actual amount and releases any leftover authorization. Klarna will now display a temporary card number, expiration date, and CVV. These details are time limited, so keep the Klarna screen open or copy them to your clipboard so you can paste them quickly. Head to the Amazon checkout screen and add a new credit or debit card. Paste the virtual card number, expiration date, and CVV exactly as shown in Klarna. Use the billing information Klarna provides if prompted, then place your order as normal. After checkout, Klarna will show your payment schedule and reminders. If you return an item, Klarna will adjust your plan accordingly. That's all there is to it. Fast, clear, and convenient. Spend responsibly, double check your totals, and enjoy a smoother Amazon checkout with Klarna.